everybody taught here, and I have a friend over, but she doesn't want me to tell her who she is. So now I'm going to show you a Wolf Ghost video. I'm chasing this elk right now. So there she is. Is that her? Please tell me that's her. And Fierce just runs. Come on, Fierce. I know you can do it. Is she almost hurt? Is she like, how bad is her health? Okay. I lay down. Come on. So you can have pups in this. It's like, oh, my pups are born, and I get to name them. Really? Ugh. If I keep chasing her at this rate, I'm gonna run straight into the elk genie. Genie went. Die! Or we could chase her that way. Either way works. Or that way. Just go straight, please. When I run into a tree, she turns around. She will turn around. Okay, so she's going straight to the genie. And that elk is stupid. I'm just gonna chase her right to the genie. I see the genie in her butt. so guys, the genie's inside. I see it. Looks like a grizzly bear. Nope, a grizzly bear hasn't been munching on this. So I'm gonna take some. So sorry. I didn't mean to bite you there. You know what I mean. Please tell me you're not turning around yet. Yep. I'm gonna howl to this, guys. So run. So sorry. Die. If I chase her to the genie lamp, that'll be good. Okay, so get off of her tail. Looks like a grizzly bear's been munching on this. Where did she go? They'll turn around. See, this is what she's gonna do. She's gonna try and kill me. Wait, she's laying down? Oh, I thought that one was laying down back there. So I just try and bite her and she tries to kill me. It's not gonna work though. Ah, the bull elk! You see the horn over there? He was like coming towards me. It's creepy. Hopefully he doesn't come. Ew, he was kissing her. Yahoo! I killed her. Is that a female elk? Okay, let me go. Let's see here. Here we go. What about this one? Is this a female elk? Dang it, it looks like a male for a sec. I'm gonna go try and kill the bull elk. I can die. I will die. He's just so fast and fat. He's like worth a lot. And he does a lot of hit damage. Sit. Okay. A hair. Ow. I need the hair real quick. Please, let me eat you real quick. I'm trying to kill a bull elk, so I need to eat you. Let me eat you. Yay. Thank you for letting me eat you. Just what I needed. A bunny will fill that up. I know. I think I'll just kill her. Okay, guys. Grizzly bear! He's coming towards me. He's coming towards me. Go away! He's a phony. He's a phony. He's too scared of me. Scaredy dog. Scaredy, scaredy dog. Come on, please run into a tree. There's another stupid grizzly bear. You want some of this? Die! He's a phony. He's a freaky phony. Looks like I'm an amin on this. Come on. Eat. There's a coyote. You cannot eat the coyotes, sadly. I think they have like something in their body that makes you not eat them. Can you eat can wolves eat coyotes? They're like cousins and they don't allow it to eat them. They will attack your pups though. You want some of this? Stay away from their pups. The bunny just pops along like da 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 da. Come on, I didn't bite him in the butt yet. Yay! I can't eat him, which really stinks. I can't. I try already. He just goes right. I just go right through him. Bunny, die! Thank you. Yay! It's just really creepy. Okay, guys. As you guys know, I completed the game already, and so I gotta pause it. So thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, comment, and share. Favorite and share. Bye.